Hello, my friend. My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to General Principles and Processes of Isolation of Elements. Which of the following is known as suitable ore for extracting iron? Hematite, magnetite, siderite, iron prize. The answer is iron prize. Iron sulfide is the chemical formula for iron pride. Because iron pride is exothermic and possesses a safety risk in mines, it is most cost effective to extract iron from other ores like magnetite and hematite. Prides are generally unsuitable and they have the potential to transform into sulfurous minerals. Which of the following ore is used to extract silver? Calamine, cinnabar, agitite, malachite? The answer is agentite. Agentite, commonly known as silver glance, is the only silver ore with the chemical composition of Ag2S among the above choices. Smelting or chemical leaching is a straightforward process for extracting silver from a silver glance. Which of the scenarios is best for hand-picking concentration? When the ores are good conductors of electricity, when the impurities can be distinguished from the ore by the naked eye, when either the ore or the impurities are magnetic, when the ore particles are heavier than the impurities. The answer is when the impurities can be distinguished from the ore by the naked eye. It is vital for contaminants to be easily discernible from the ore particles when the concentration is done by hand picking. The ore is deemed to be pure if these contaminants can be seen with the naked eye. The ore is said to be suitable for concentration by hand picking. By electromagnetic separation, where are magnetic particles collected in concentration? away from the magnetic roller on the conveyor belt below the magnetic roller, above the magnetic roller. The answer is below the magnetic roller. The powered ore is dropped over the conveyor belt that moves around two rows, one on which is equipped with an electromagnetic. The magnetic roller attracts the magnetic particles when the ore particles move across the belt. As a result, two heaps from independently magnetic particles are gathered below the magnetic roller, whereas the non-magnetic particles are collected away from the roller. In froth rotation, what role does the revolving paddle play? Enhances wettability of gauge particles, stabilizes the froth, draws in the air causing frothing, enhances non-wettability of the ore particles. The answer is draws in the air causing froth. The rotating pedal of the froth rotation process violently agitates the suspension of powdered ore in water, as well as the collectors and the froth stabilizers, generating frothing. What is the name of the metallurgical process in which the ore is leached and the metal is extracted using electrolysis? Zero refining, hydrometallurgy, liquefaction, thermit process. The answer is hydrometallurgy. Hydrometallurgy is a technique for extracting metals from their ores in the subject of extractive metallurgy. Hydrometallurgy is the process of extracting metals from ores, concentrates, and recycled or residual materials using aqueous solutions. Oxides are formed when food is roasted. But why is it necessary to roast oxide ores? To avoid gauge particles, to get crude metal by using an oxidizing agent, to remove volatile impurities in the form of their oxide, to make the ore porous. The answer is to remove volatile impurities in form of their oxides. Roasting is used to eliminate volatile impurities in the form of oxide from oxide ores. Metals are easier to acquire by reduction from their ores than from carbonates and sulfides. As a result, the ore must first be transformed into metal oxide before it can be reduced. Electrolysis does not remove which of the following metals? Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, iron. The answer is iron. In reality, choosing the right reducing agent is crucial to extracting a metal from its ore. Because iron is fairly active metal, its oxides can be reduced with carbon rather than electrolysis. Electrolysis is used to recover reactive metals like aluminium, while reduction with carbon is used to extract less reactive metals like iron. What is the method for extracting sodium from halide ores like sodium chloride? Pyrometallurgy, hydrometallurgy, electrometallurgy, magnetic separation. The answer is electrometallurgy. Sodium is highly electropositive metal that can be extracted readily from sodium chloride using an electrometallurgy or electrolysis technique. Metals such as copper, iron, silver are extracted using phylometallurgy or hydrometallurgy. Which of the following is an illustration of metallurgical electrochemical process? Bayer's process, Solvay's process, Badger's process, Hall Helot process. The Hall Helot process reduces bauxite to virtually pure aluminium by an electrochemical reaction. The bauxite is dissolved in molten electrolyte containing sodium, fluorine, and aluminium and kept at high temperature. The aluminium is deposited at the cathode and oxygen gas is produced at the anode in this process. Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for participating in general principles and processes of isolation of element. Please do like, share, and subscribe.